Hey, here TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Hey, imagine this. I got another Fridge 48 for y'all. Hey, this just ain't your average Fridge 48. She's got some upgrades on her. Hey, you know how we do at TMG. We always got to upgrade it. So let's check out this fridge. Now, this is going to my man Chris in Arizona. And Chris actually ordered 2 TMG Pits at the same time. He got this Fridge 48, which he's going to put at his business. And then he ordered a 250-gallon tank smoker he's gonna put at his house. Hey, he's got good taste, I'll tell you that. Well, let's check his fridge out here. Now, right off the bat, he had us add a 6-gallon Cajun fryer off the front. So this is propane powered, set your tank on the ground. You got 2 baskets in here, so guys, while you're smoking, fry you some fries, smoke some chicken wings, throw them in here, crisp them up, works great. Hey, everything's better fried, you know what I'm saying? So we got that. Let's move to the off-road package. Now this is our off-road package, and he got some sick upgraded wheels in this unit. Just really make it look badass. Deep dish, baby, I like them. So that's the off-road package there. Come around to the smoke chamber here. Like I said, this is our Fridge 48. So you got 48 inches wide, 24 inches deep. 3 sliding trays in here, just like all of our fridges. Now, he did get some charcoal pans in here as well. So the way this will work, you'll take your reverse flow plates out, set these charcoal pans down on the bottom, and you can use it as a grill. So, hey, don't have time to smoke, set that in there, do your little charcoal grilling. Got our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers on there, of course. He did upgrade to a stainless steel front shelf there. Hey, how about that custom logo? He actually cut this out himself, sent it up here to us. We can put that on there for him. Come around to the hot box here. This is our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. That's why we did that. So, how this hot box works here, you got a removable plate with daisy wheels down in here. So not only can you smoke in this, you can use it as a warmer, get direct fire in here. He had us add some sausage rods up here, so you can hang sausage in here, hang ribs, chicken. Works really well. That is our hot box. He did also get the insulated firebox. So we got a 1-inch insulated firebox, fire management cradle down there. Still have your D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Come around to the back here. Hey, Chris knows the deal. He got that rear folding shelf on the fridge. Guys, if you're getting a fridge, you got to get the rear folding shelf. Super heavy duty. Sit down on it, take a break, serve off of it, prep off of it, fold it up when you're done. That is one slick Fridge 48. I can't wait for Chris to get this. We're about to load it up on a truck, ship it down there to Arizona to him. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.